All right, whiskey neat, whiskey with some water, and whiskey on ice or rocks. Now, there's a few things to understand with this that just change on every difference of this. So you have the original version, whatever was out of the bottle, that is how it is. You have to remember, though, if you apply ice, it will change the temperature, which does change the profile of the whiskey. The mouthfeel, the burn, when it hits, when it doesn't hit, all those things get affected when you add in ice. That's why it's a two effect with ice. It's the influence of water, which will change the complexity of it. It will lower the complexity, as well as it will also change the temperature. Now, if you want to try something where you changing that proof down, my recommendation is always try the whiskey as it is first. Now, if you're a cocktail person, same thing. You try it neat, the way it is first, just to get an idea of what it represents as is. Then, if you want to change it a little bit, what I recommend is you can get some of these little droppers. These little droppers, I got them online. I got a whole box of these a few years ago. It's a couple bucks. I've had the same box for like 4 years. Obviously, make sure it's clean, ready to go. All you're going to do is you're going to take 1 to 2 drops. I'll just do 2. And what that's going to do, that initial drop, is it's going to actually separate the oils and move things around a little bit, and it will intensify the smell. So this smell, the first one without any change. Now this is Bevan Tucker. I'm not a huge fan of that whiskey, just to be honest. But the smell of this is nice. It's rich. You smell the char, almost reminds me of like potato chips with cherry and like a vanilla kind of taste or smell. And then you taste it. And now I remember why I don't like this one. But anyway, it's very harsh on the ethanol level. It's not very high proof, but I don't think the maturity on this really gives it a nice even flow. But this is what it tastes like as is out of the bottle. Now what you do, if for some reason you don't like the taste of it, you can add the 2 drops like we did. Now the first step is do not swirl it. Don't mix it around. Don't do anything with it yet. You're going to smell it in relation to this one. Now with only 2 drops, the ethanol smell, like the strong medicinal, like like alcohol, like rubbing alcohol smell, is greatly reduced. Now I get more of like a fruit, like more of a citrus than I do alcohol. Let's taste it. Now taste like this before we swirl it.